Veterans and active or reserve military personnel deserve to be honored and recognized for their service to our country. In Mentor, one of the ways we're showing our appreciation is through the Mentor VetsNet program. Created in partnership with the City of Mentor and the Mentor Area Chamber of Commerce, the program offers discounts to veterans at nearly 40 area businesses. Some of the VetsNet participants are hotels, restaurants, banks, plumbers, preschools, and city recreation facilities. Each business has joined the effort to give back to servicemen and women by offering at least a 10% discount. To receive the discount, vets must show proof of eligibility. This can be an American Legion, VFW, or AMVETS card, active or reserve service ID card, discharge papers, or a specially branded Mentor VetsNet card. The Mentor VetsNet card is available from the receptionist at the Mentor Municipal Center weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Just remember to bring along your proof of military service. A list of participating businesses will be provided, or you can download the list from the city website. The Mentor VetsNet program is just one more way that the community can express its sincere appreciation to those who have served our country.